In today's video, I just want to take a bigger picture look at Apple. So here, we're looking at a weekly chart, and we do have a price cluster at this recent low, and it comes in at 208.17 to 72 area. It includes a 1272 extension. It includes a 382 retracement of another swing, and it also includes a 100% projection of yet another swing. Okay, so we have a cluster right there, and that's our definition of risk. It's also a two-step pattern or zigzag. Now, what we're looking at here between these two swings is that they are very similar in price. Okay, so this high to low, $40.72. This high to low, $41.58. So not equal, but definitely similar. And we do have this key price support. So does that mean you're just supposed to go out and buy a bunch of Apple right now, right here? No, not necessarily, because number one, we haven't really gotten a good solid trigger. There have been only some short-term buy triggers. But if we start getting some better triggers, then I want to show you what the potential is in the bigger picture. And that is, well, if this is actually a two-step, you typically look for the 1272 of the full zigzag here, and that would take us to this 274 area. Okay, what's the risk? Just below here. What's the potential reward? Up here, or at least, even if you get a corrective rally, at least to these areas, which would be around 234 and then 239 to 241 area. So that's what I'm looking at there. But what I don't like is that we're just getting a slight signal via the 30-minute chart. As far as the 834 EMA combo, you had this slight crossover. You probably have a better trigger on the 15-minute chart. This to me is, kind of iffy. And what we're fighting against, this is the problem, on the daily chart, we are clearly below the 200 simple moving average. We are below below the 50, below the 200, and the 513 EMA combo is still in a sell mode with the 5 below the 13. So this is definitely a decision, but it's an uphill battle, and that's because of where we're at with the averages, and that the recent pattern has been lower lows and lower highs, and that has not shifted yet. When would it look really good? Well, if we can at least get the 513 to cross back to the upside. But I know that there will be some of you that are willing to look at the buy side already with your definition of risk just underneath the 208.17 area. So that's what we're looking at. It doesn't look awesome yet, but it's definitely one that I'm watching for myself. I'm not quite ready yet, but it's getting close. Hope that helps.